Welcome to your Bali journey with Travel and Taste. My name is Purnima and I'll be your host for this tour.
Today is your day to pause, to breathe, and to truly soak in the spirit of Ubud. If you're in the mood to unwind, start your morning with a Balinese massage or a flower bath right here at Ubud Wana Resort or at one of the beautiful spas nearby. It's calm, healing, and exactly what a holiday should feel like. Feeling curious instead? Head to the Ubud Art Market, just 10 minutes away. It's a lively maze of handmade crafts, batik fabrics, wooden masks, paintings, each with its own little story. For something more immersive, try a Balinese cooking class at a local farm or village home. You'll visit a traditional market, learn age-old recipes, and stir up a bit of Bali with your own hands. And when hunger calls, there's no better place than Bebek Bengil, famously known as the Dirty Duck Diner. Crispy duck, lush gardens, and a meal you'll remember. Today is yours, whether you stay still or explore. No fixed plans, just beautiful options. Enjoy your day however you choose to spend it. We'll see you soon with more adventures ahead.